Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch today, and I am super excited about this meal. I've already had it and I'm looking forward to it again. And you may ask, well, can meal prep really be that exciting? Yes, it can. We look for those simple yet healthy and flavorful recipes. We don't want to look forward to that boring meal just to satiate ourselves. We want a great meal. For instance, we have got a mustard and dill walnut crusted salmon. So talk about great protein, good healthy fats right here. And then we've paired it with yellow beets. I don't know if you ever had that before. Sauteed baby spinach with the greens from that beets because they were amazing this week. And then brown rice there for your starch. This is a phenomenal meal. Of course, I look forward to eating this, and we want you to look forward to eating it as well, because chances are you'll eat it once or twice a week. So let's make it great. So I've got this here for lunch. Maybe it could be waiting for you when you get home. All you do is reheat and enjoy it. This is coming out in our app this week, guys. I hope you enjoy it as well. All right, take care. Bye-bye.